I want you to understand something very, very clear. The Texas Constitution does not allow me but in extremely limited circumstances to hold someone at bond. Zero bond. This is that situation. I'm going to put a protective order naming this person as a protected individual. If you so much as do anything to violate any of these conditions, I can have a hearing to hold you at no bond. And I will do it in a heartbeat to protect every person in my county. Do you understand? You are not to consume alcohol, illegal drugs, or unprescribed controlled medication. I'm going to randomly test you. No weapons, no contact with a complaining witness, and no going. Okay. So let's do this. What I can do is I can have you take a seat. We'll wait for him to get here. But regardless, I'm putting these conditions on your bond. I've found that probable cause exists to go forward with your case. The only thing I'm telling you now, don't violate any of these conditions because there are severe consequences.
Yes, Your Honor.
We'll go through it again when your lawyer gets here, but just don't leave until he gets here, okay?
Yes, Your Honor.
For now, I'm gonna have you sign a reset with Victoria. We'll have you get signed for your conditions. Just take a seat momentarily. Well, once he gets here, then we'll go through it.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay.
Good morning, Judge.
We went up there yesterday. They had her on the docket. There was some issue with the bond and why she was in custody because she never got notice. So we addressed that yesterday, but she picked up a violation of protective order because when she was arrested for the bond, for the warrant on that, the victim, the complaining witness, her husband, was in the vehicle with her.
And at the house, allegedly.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Are you telling me that that's wrong?
No, sir, that is correct. And that is correct.
Because the only thing I'm doing is no contact.
If a MOAP if an order for protection has not been granted, I'm granting one now, ma'am. I'm issuing a protective order that identifies Mr. Longoria as a protected individual. You cannot commit family violence or an assault against this person. Commit an act in furtherance of an offense under section 42.072 of the Texas Penal Code, which is the stalking statute. You cannot threaten, harass, use another person to communicate a threat or harassing behavior. You cannot be in possession of a weapon. You cannot go within 200 feet of the address listed in the order of protection. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
If you violate this court order, I'm telling you, at that point, you're going to get hit probably with another felony. It's not hard. Now, you've got a great lawyer. Listen to him and he'll take care of you. Because you have a lawyer, I will waive your appearance. But it is your responsibility to stay in touch with him. If he tells me he can't get a hold of you, I'm going to issue a warrant for your arrest. All right?
I understand. Yes,
Okay.
Your Honor.
So we'll have you take a seat. We'll craft all the orders. We'll have you sign it. And then after that, you're free to go.
Okay. Would
All
you
right.
like me to sit?
You can go out there. Bo, do you want the same date as the felony?
Yes, sir. Please, Your Honor.
Done.
Okay.
Okay,
Thank
man.
you, Judge.
Thanks.
Take care.
You too.